Well, it was extremely disappointing that we didn't get the truck. The money did finally go through 45 minutes after the place closed, so we were stuck there for the weekend and decided the best thing to do was head straight to a hotel to get some rest. By chance, the hotel had a couple of Tesla destination chargers, as well as a few J1772 charging stations. Unfortunately, it looked like the Teslas could probably have used some cable management. But the weekend wasn't wasted. We got to check out the Charlotte Makerspace, got a tour there, which was a really cool place, and they're now moving into a much larger facility. Right next door was a TV station with a ton of solar panels out there. We also met up with a cousin of mine over at a classic motorcycle show, which was at a really cool venue. It was an old industrial place that had been remodeled. So just being at the venue itself was really cool to check out. After all that, I did have a computer at the hotel, so I was finally able to start blogging and doing some photography. Finally, we walked across the street to the Walmart, the lawn and garden section. We bought an extra set of jumper cables and 2 of the cheapest batteries we could, which were small lawn tractor batteries, to be ready for Monday morning. It's Monday morning. We're on our way back to Copart. We'll see how today goes.
It's gonna go better.
We are at Copart. Hopefully the money's gone through and everything's good. Okay, we went to Walmart. We bought the cheapest 12-volt batteries we could and an extra set of jumper cables to hook them up to the 12-volt box truck batteries. And nothing happened. Dome light's not on or anything like that, but it's also a battery disconnect here. Well, I mean, the EV system's not going to be powered up right now, right?
It says it's half full.
Whoa, whoa.
It says it's
wait.
It says it's half full.
Okay, is that... Wow. You're kidding me.
53 stat charge.
The ready light's on. That's no errors.
Dude. I think that's that other 24 set. I don't think that'll work without that other 24 set.
The ready light is on.
I could probably back this bad boy up.
Jeez, be careful. Do we want to move the batteries back first?
I'm just gonna...
That's a backup beeper. What's this thing at for a parking brake? I mean, isn't there a giant thing to release the air brakes? It works. This thing frickin' works. Oh, that sounds like an inverter. That's air brakes.
It's rocking, but there's no drive shaft, that's why. It's spinning. This thing...
There's... Okay, drive shaft's connected back here. Well, in the back it's connected. Whoa! Oh, holy cow! I just saw it spin a little bit. Yeah, I don't think... Don't move far, like a foot though, okay? Go for it. Whoa! Okay, that was powered. You weren't just rolling downhill or anything? Try backwards. Okay, so we just fixed an electric truck in a parking lot at the salvage yard. Whoa, park. Parking brakes are important. Put the brake on. Jeez. Holy cow.